Hello, my superstars. Welcome to today's Kettle classroom, where something mysterious is brewing up. How maps lie. The truth about map projections is a fantastic topic to brew our brain. So let's sip it.
Looks real, right? Well, guess what? It's not the whole story. Let's go!
Double is a lie, don't believe your eyes. Greenland ain't big, that's a clever disguise. Africa's huge, but it's shrinking in size. Flat maps twist the truth, and that's no surprise. The earth is round like a basketball, but to hang it on the wall, you gotta make it small. You stretch it, you squash it, you give it a squeeze, but something gets twisted when you flatten the seas. Try peeling an orange, make it lay flat. It crumbles and crinkles, imagine that. So maps are a guess, not the perfect view. They lied just a bit, but now you know it too. Double is a lie, don't believe your eyes. Greenland ain't big, that's a clever disguise. Africa's huge, but it's shrinking in size. Flat maps twist the truth, and that's no surprise. Mercator's map was made for the sea. Helps sailors sail where they need to be. But near the poles, it goes wild. Makes Canada look like a giant child. Gall-Peters said, let's fix the size. Now everything's long and thin, surprise. Then Robinson came with a middle way. Looks kinda smooth, what more can I say? Map-shaped minds, they can twist the truth. Make us think wrong since we were in youth. Some maps made some places look small, but every land matters, big, short, tall. Complex, see the world the honest way, where every country gets its say. The earth was a lie, but now you're wise. You see the world through smarter eyes. From globe to map, from truth to trick, the earth's still round, ain't that slick? That was a lie, but now you know why. That was a lie.